Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. Welcome to the video. Welcome to the video. I could not be more excited to talk to you about an opportunity, what I consider to be an opportunity of a lifetime. I'm telling you what, we've got something here special. Before I get started in this video, guys, go ahead and like the video. Hit the notification bell so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Make sure you like the video, guys. Again, it could give you 50 more years of good luck, if not 60 or 70. You never know. $10,000 per month from the comfort of your home. I'm going to show you how to do it, how easy you can do it. It's going to be very powerful. So hang tight for the whole video. It's going to be a special video, guys. Give me about 13 minutes, and we're going to get around it. When you get an opportunity, guys, you can come over to my channel. I do market several opportunities, guys, but one thing I do stress is residual income. Residual income is incredible. I market big ticket programs, small ticket programs, and everything there in between. But I'm telling you, there's nothing like building a residual income program, which is the supplement grid and grid chatter. These are going to be my two go-to residual programs that I'm going to resonate with for hopefully for life. And that's where I'm at. I'm nailing it down with supplement grid and the grid chatter. Those are my residual income that I'm going to build each one of them out to over 15 grand per month, both. And both of them, the company that represents this, the grid chatter and the supplement grid are the same, quarter like the same organization, same companies. So I could not be more excited about that. We're going to talk about how you can use this postcard. That postcard there. Look at that thing. Our team leader has come up with this thing. And this postcard is incredible. It absolutely resonates with people. People all over the country are getting it and receiving it. I am just excited. You can notice it in my voice beyond belief as to what we're getting ready to do with this postcard. I'm going to show you the order form. Greg down there in Riverview, our team leader, has created this postcard for us folks. It's a done for you system. All you do, guys, is plug and play. If you can mail this postcard, teach 5 or 6 people down through 5 levels to do the same thing, you can win. And guys, you don't even really have to teach your people. You're going to want to share it with your people, because when you share this opportunity, it begins to grow virally. I haven't even talked about this thing the way I should in several weeks, because I market several programs. And my team is just growing on autopilot. I mean, every single day I'm getting sales off this program, and it is exploding, guys. I'm telling you, it is go time to get plugged into this program. It's the supplement grid. You're getting supplements, and I'm gonna show you quickly, just a moment. Hang on tight. But we're going to use this postcard that's going to lead them to a website that is going to go to yourplantowealth.com, and your member ID, when you join, you're going to get a member ID, and you're going to put it on that postcard. They're going to go to your website, and you're going to begin to build a team on autopilot. This is one of the most automated systems I've ever got my hands on, that the average person, guys, if you can stick a label, look at this, a name label on right here where Greg's put it. You can put it right here. You can put a name label right there and mail this postcard. You can win. Are you sick and tired of working hard on a job, making somebody else rich? This postcard is one side, and this is the other side. This postcard resonates with people. This thing resonates with people, and when people get it in the mail, they're going to go to your website, and they're going to take action. Of course, income disclaimer, nothing happens till you take action. But we are seeing a high response rate in just mailing this postcard. There's no selling, no telling, no explaining. Guys, if you can get a few people to start mailing this postcard up under you, you can create thousands of dollars in income from the comfort of your home. And that is exciting. Plus, in today's corporate world, there is no such thing as job security. You can lose your job at any time. You must start building your own stream of monthly income for you and your family. We can show you how. Guys, I am gravitating more towards affiliate marketing more so than Bitcoin, Forex trading, because this is what allows me to sleep good at night. I can put it out there, mail a postcard, and go on to sleep. I don't have to get up in the morning and wonder what the stock market's going to do, wonder what Bitcoin's price is going to be, wonder what the Fed is going to do. Folks, if you can mail this postcard, you can go about your business. Your work's done for the day. You just throw financial lifelines out to people and teach people to do the same thing. I mean, I trade Bitcoin. I trade Forex. But the most things that have made me money is affiliate marketing, mailing postcards, referring people to the website, selling products and services. That is the ticket to wealth, folks. And there will never be an end to it for as long as we live. Look at this, guys. Let me show you. Here are some of the products that we have. We have men products, women's products, performance, wellness, vegan, and we have superfoods. We have all of this advanced superfoods, and I'm gonna click on some of them. But that's what we have. When you go to shop all, you click here and you find a product. You find a product that resonates with you. One of these phenomenal products, and all you do is put one on auto ship, and that's it. Put one of these products on auto ship and let it come in month after month. And folks, you can bill yourself out to $15,000 in this one matrix. I'm gonna show you the matrix, guys. I'm using some of this wheat protein. I'm thinking about getting this pre-workout. I like the Alpha Heat. Now this is what Greg likes, that liquid supplement. I believe Jose's getting it too. One of my sponsors in the program. Let's go here. Here is the keto coffee, probiotic, guys. Greg talks about this thing here too. I just switched. I'm getting some of this here, protein based in the vanilla flavor. I am excited. Some of the same stuff that we're paying at Walgreens, CVS, Walmart. Why not get involved with a product that you can mail this postcard right here, selling these products. They're going to the website. People are going to get a product of value, and that's all they do. And then they are going to plug in. And guys, what they're going to do, they're going to come down here and watch this. We even put it on Your Plane of Wealth on the bottom here, where people can come and go to our meeting. Jamie does a great job, our CEO, does a great job explaining the program every Wednesday night. Folks, this is done for you. If you can mail a postcard, you can make $10,000, $15,000 a month. I mean, I'm going to show you the matrix in just a minute. But every Wednesday night, right here, people can get the information they need to make an informed decision. And there's a question and answer at the end. Get all your questions answered. Every one of them. And that is incredible to me. Let's go back over here. That's Grid Chatter. That's our other business, our sister company on the other side of the Grid Chatter companies. Here is the prices for your postcards that you can order straight from Greg. Hey guys, I'm going to order 5,000. I am excited. 3,000 to 5,000 of these postcards and send every one of them out. It is go time, folks, in creating residual income. And then teach your people how to do the same thing. And guys, do it over and over again. Now, if we would do this right now, from the fall of this year, the fall of 2023, folks, you could be at this. It's possible. Or close to it, or on the way, or over it. It depends on your income is determined by your altitude, your ability to take action. There's nothing to figure out. It's a plug and play system. Look at this. This is the matrix, folks. I want to let me downsize it. This is the matrix. You're going to get 5 people. On your team. This will let me stop. Okay, this is well, I'm going to have the video explain it. 5 people on your first level, and then that's all you can get on your first level. The second level is going to fill in like a typewriter, left to right, and they're going to start dropping down through and by spillover. Now watch this, guys. On the second level, you're going to have 25 people. Now you're going to have people working for you while you're asleep, working at play, home, school, wherever life takes you. This thing is going to be building automatically. I am seeing it on a daily basis that people are joining the team automatically. And folks, explosions are happening right now before our eyes. And then the third level, 125, the next level, 625, down through 5 levels. You're talking about 3125, 14,000 in, you're going over to another matrix. This is incredible. Let me play the video, guys. Hang on tight.
For Level 1 team members, your total residual income will be $17.95 per month. I know this is not much to get excited about, but keep listening. It will get better. Those 5 Grid Builder members each have personally enrolled just 5 new Grid Builder members, giving you a total of 25 Grid Builder members on your team. This will be your Level 2 team members. Your total residual income is now over $107 per month. As you can see from the pay chart, your $59.99 TSG Liquid Daily Monthly Product purchase is more than covered when your Level 1 and 2 is completely filled. Now those 25 Grid Builder members each have personally enrolled just 5 new Grid Builder members, giving you a total of 125 Grid Builder members on your team. This will be your Level 3 team members. Your total residual income is now over $556 per month. Now those 125 Grid Builder members each have personally enrolled just 5 new Grid Builder members, giving you a total of 625 Grid Builder members on your team. This will be your Level 4 team members. Your total residual income just jumped to over $2,800 per month. Just think, at this level of monthly income, all you did was personally enroll just 5 Grid Builder members. Let's continue. Those 625 Grid Builder members each have personally enrolled just 5 new Grid Builder members, giving you a total of 3,125 Grid Builder members on your team. This will be your Level 5 team members. With these Level 5 team members, your total residual income exploded to over $14,000 per month.
Folks, is that possible? Your income exploding over $14,000 per month. That's what we're doing. That's what we're pressing for. That's what we're trying to impress upon you. Just finding 5 people that do the same down through 5 levels. Guys, this is very important. Take special note, rewind this thing back, join me in some other programs, and then let's just keep doing it. Let's do it over and over and over and over again. If we can do this, folks, we can win. I mean, and grow our income to this one program. This is how wealth is made, and I could not be more excited about it. When you get a chance, guys, you can come over to yourplantowealth.com. You can see the entire website on yourplantowealth.com. It is our team site, and it goes through, again, the presentation, $3,000, $5,000, $10,000 or more per month, without even talking to a single person unless you want to. Now, folks, if you come in here and just, help it out a little bit, not you just get started, mail your postcards, and guys, you tell a few people, I mean, your business could literally explode in record time. And that's all you do. Invite people to the call. Even if you don't invite them, guys. Now, if you invite them, you can double it. It's fast. I put it like this. How fast do you want to go? Do you want to go fast? Do you want to go slow? You want to go extremely fast? Invite people to the Wednesday night Zoom call. Even if you can't make it. I try to get on it every Wednesday night, and I invite people. Your first step, join as a Grid member. Second step, get your postcards. Log into your back office, guys. It's laid out what to do, how to do it, from A to Z. I could not be more excited about that. Get your product ordered. Order 1 product per month. The second, again, get your postcards going and go from there. Look at here, guys. I believe there is a way. I think Greg got on here. If you're already a Grid Builder member, there's a way that we can go on here. There is we got an optional site also here. What to do next. You can order your postcards, log in the back office. If you're already a member, I want to show you something here, guys. This is exciting. Yourplantowealth.com. I know it's one here. Joining. Order the postcards. Okay, yeah, it's right here. All of it is on the postcard. How to order your postcards. Okay, here's something, guys, I meant to show you. It's all under here. I'm being difficult, but it's under step number 2 where you order your postcards. You can go right here. We have an optional capture page. yourplantowealth.com. We got an optional capture page right here. That's incredible. And very excited about this capture page. You can utilize it. It will look something like this here. Look at that. Title work from somebody else, $10,000 per month. Get a site that looks just like that. Very excited about that capture page. Greg's got it here where we can order names right here, guys. Right here. Wolf Enterprises, Wilson's List, MLM labels, and you just go. You plug and go. It's a plug and play system, guys. You can't go wrong with it. Find a product, guys, that resonate with you. Put it on auto ship. This video will walk you through how to order your postcards, and we'll get you off to the races. Now, hey, one more thing. When you go into supplement grid, we got a young man down in Florida. He shows you a strategy of how you can make $39K per month. $39K per month, and explains the supplement grid with it down there in Florida. So I'm very excited about that. Let me go right here. Let me click on his video. He's on our team.
Guys, this is Kurt from Tampa.
Kurt, yeah. Kurt down there in Tampa. Big shout out to Kurt. Kurt's got a strategy. I mean, he is all over it about $39K per month. Do you think the man's serious? He puts out a video every single day. If you can mail a postcard, folks, if you can mail a postcard, this is how wealth is done right. I'm really getting into this postcard mailing. It's just incredible. Again, guys, I'm into Forex trading, Bitcoin, binary options, but there's nothing that I like better besides direct mail and affiliate marketing. Just mail a postcard. Set it and forget it. I'm not look at this, folks. I'm not looking at a Forex chart, wondering what the Euro USD going to do, wondering what the stock market's going to do. I can mail a postcard and go about my business. Go out to Pizza Hut, go out to Chick-fil-A, wherever life wants to take me, I can go without worried about this, that, and the other. Folks, it is go time. Sign up today. Get started. Have any questions? My information is below the video. And get on the next call. Even if you can't get to the next call, get on the one whenever you can, and invite your folks to do the same. All right, guys, that concludes my presentation. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Get your postcards ordered. Until the next video.